Hello, you're welcome back. This is part 4 of the 25-part series of the video where I teach absolute beginners in website development all they need to know about HTML. So in this lesson, what we're going to do is how to create a HTML file using the command line interface and also using the file tab in Visual Studio Code. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss future videos just like this. Also like my video as it helps me to grow on YouTube. So to create a file, first of all, let's open up Visual Studio Code. Once you open up Visual Studio Code, you'll see this home screen here, and then I'm going to teach you how to do it using the File Explorer first. So let's go over to where we want it to be. I have a folder within my documents called Academy. Within Academy, let me just create another folder called HTML course. So I'm going to open up this folder in VS Code. Go to File, open folder, then the folder is located within Documents, Academy, and then you click on it and then say Select Folder. So now we have opened up the folder. Now the next thing I want to do is that I want to create a new file by going over to New File. Let's create a file called index.html. Make sure the extension ends with .html because that's the extension for HTML files. It must end with .html. And then let's create a boilerplate here by saying Shift 1 to bring out the exclamation mark and then press enter. This works on VS Code. That's why I use VS Code. And then you type HTML course. I'm changing the title to something else. Then you can put a header 1 element. You press, let me not be too fast. You just press H1 and then press tab to bring out header 1 element, and then you say HTML course for absolute beginners. Okay, then you right click on the file and then say open with live server. This opens the file we just created on our browser. So before this will work, you have to make sure that you have the live server extension installed on your system. Open with live server. You have to make sure that the live server extension is installed on your system. So you can go over to the install extension tab, type live server. Of course, you need to have internet connection. Then once you type it, you see this extension here that says live server, and then you now click on it and then install it. Click on install it. Currently I have it installed. That's why I'm able to see that option that says open with live server. So what live server does is that anytime we make changes to our web page, let me display this side by side so that we can see it clearly. Anytime we make changes to our web pages, we can always see that change. For absolute beginners, HTML, let's put here crash course. So you notice that as I type and press save, it automatically refreshes the page and shows us what is displayed on the screen. So thank you for watching. In our next video, what we are going to learn is the HTML structure. You need to understand the HTML structure.